What was that, Peter?
I got the body cam footage.
You got what?
Body cam footage.
The body cam footage?
Yep.
For that Safelite repair technician? Yep. Safelite repair, Safelite replace. This is going to be fun.
How are we doing, sir?
I'm doing it. I'm actually doing a recalibration to this vehicle. That's why I was going so fast. I didn't mean to, go that fast, but that's the only way to get the process to keep going.
I understand you got a job to do.
Yeah.
So am I.
I'm sorry about that.
Right? You got your license?
I got my license, yes, but the paperwork to this vehicle, I don't know where it's
That's
at.
okay. I can get the information on the vehicle.
Dispatch here, 30.
That's it for that. Vasquez.
Yes, sir.
You can't be doing 60 on a 35.
I know.
You're trying to get to a job, and I understand that, but you're doing 25 over. That's a little too fast for me.
I apologize. That's the only way to get this done.
All right, give me a second, man. Tango 1310 Danielson Aspen Court. India Zulu Charlie Quebec 47. India Zulu Charlie Quebec 47 on a Ford van, white in color. cut you a little bit of a break. I got you 25 over. That would have been $279. Full points on your license. I'm going to reduce your speed to only 6 over, 129. 30 days to take care of. Here's what you took care of. I can help you with the points if you set up a court date. And you plead no contest, I'll tell the judge to take the points off your license. All right?
I'll do that. I'm sorry about it. I'm just
Yeah,
trying
man,
because I don't mean to be a jerk. I need a roll so I can do 60 because that's the only way to pass this. I mean, I know it's wrong, but this is how this machine works.
It sucks. It
yeah,
sucks,
I
man.
know.
You know, it puts you in a really bad situation, and it puts me in a really
Yeah,
bad
because
situation.
I can't go on the highway because then I can't use this tow pass.
Yeah, I hear you.
So that's why I got to do it on the street.
All right.
I know, I apologize.
Please, man. 25,949, 25,949, 25,949 citation.
So, ladies and gentlemen, how fast was he going again?
65?
Apparently. Well, no, and then the cow gave him a break.
Yeah.
He did
35 over, 30 over.
30. And he's blaming it on his job. How awesome was it when he said that? Yeah, I got a job to do too.
Yeah.
I'm like, throw the